Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make popular logos out of Lego. And today I have social media logos. So this is the Facebook logo right here. And if you want me to do a tutorial on these and maybe do a sequel, just make sure to hit the like button. And if you get to 100, I might do those. And let's go. So these are the logos I'm going to be showing you. There's Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. And while we're at it, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And this is my channel logo right here, made out of Lego. And then also, I have a Microsoft logo here. This isn't a social media logo, but it's a logo. So to start, we're going to be looking at the TikTok logo. So if you look at this, it's actually upside down. So these are where studs connect in. And then if you look at the bottom, these are just tiles on top of studs. So really, this would just be the top right here. But then it's flipped upside down like this. And it's just connected through the back through certain ones. Like these are just certain 1x2s. Like right there's a 1x2. Across from that is a 1x2. It's right there, and then up here another 1x2, and then right here at the very top of it to hold it all together is a 1x2 plate, not a 1x2 brick. And so this piece right here is actually like an upside down slope. If I take this off right there, it's an upside down slope with studs on the bottom like that. So that gives a curve effect right there. And then also down here you got more curvy pieces. You can see the entire thing through this reflection, I'm pretty sure. Right there, and then up here we just got an upside down slope with a tile on it. Right there, yeah, you can see that. And then up there to give like that curvy effect kind of is a plate, of course. And so yeah, that's like the TikTok logo. So next is the YouTube logo. So right here there's just two slopes. So if I pull this apart, you can kind of see that. This is a bottom slope right here. And then there's a upside down slope right there, and these like are connected upside down through a piece like that, so that this can connect onto it like that. So if you look right there, you can kind of tell how that works. There's a 1x1 right there with a snot brick type piece holding another snot brick, really weird. And that's how it is held upside down. So again, it uses like these curvy pieces right there and tiles on top. And yeah, if I give you the look of it again, you can kind of see how it's built, and back built the same kind of, and like 1x2s are right here so they can be connected together. It's really weird how this works, but yeah, it's upside down, so it's like perfect on all sides. So this is the Instagram logo. It has curvy edges and all that, and it's actually built like the YouTube logo, so there's tiles on top and on bottom, and these are both upside down bricks connecting the bottom of bricks. And it fades from yellow to purple. Look at that, there's purple and then yellow, and it's made of like plates and bricks. And then in the middle right here, it's actually connected on by a Technic pin inside a Technic brick. And you can see right through that, right there, and there's my finger. And there's just a stud right there for this panel to go into. And then right up here in the top right has like the same thing except with a 1x1 round tile. Right there, Technic brick with Technic pin in it. Really simple. And yeah, it has its stand on it, and that's the Instagram logo. So this is the Facebook logo. I think this one looks really good. It looks like really like it. It's just an F, a white F on a blue background. So the curve right here is pretty much like the only part that's actually different. It uses a bigger slope and then a smaller slope inside of it, right there, to give that curve. And then everything else is just like plates, tiled. It's really easy. There's bricks right there, tiled. And it uses 1x2s to connect to the back, of course. There's a stand. It's like the TikTok logo, except this one's actually right side up. Yeah, so blue background right there. This one just looks really good to me. So I'll just show off the Microsoft logo for you guys real quick. So this one has tiles equaling 4x4 stud area covered by tiles, like that. And then in the middle of these is tiles, and this has a stand too, right there. It's uneven actually, so it's 7, I think. No, it's 9. 9 by 9 right there. There's no 9 by 9 plate, so it's a custom one, a custom plate made out of pieces. And these are actually one higher than the other tiles, which gives it like this 3D look, I feel like. And then like this is light lime green, and this one's like light blue. So this logo is just mine. It's not really famous, even though I wish it would be famous one day. But this is my logo right here. It has this little stand on it that is made out of black pieces. So right there, it's just really simple tiles with snot brick right there, and that just connects right there. And if you look at my intro, if you watch my intro, it's just is like this, and then it goes like that, and then zooms in right there. And I made all the sides color, like all the same, well, all the sides like actually colored, not just black. The back is black though, I can't really change that, I don't think. Well, maybe I could. But yeah, that is my logo. So I wanted to show it. And yeah, my logo actually has studs on it. So this is like really realistic to it. Yeah, so my logo. So that's it for the video. Remember, if this video gets 100 likes, I'll make a tutorial, and maybe I'll make more logos. And make sure to subscribe. Only like a slight percentage of you are actually subscribed. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell.